In this video, I'm going to go over how to solve a system of equation in 3 variables. Let's look at this example. To start this problem, I'm going to choose 2 equations and eliminate one of the variables. I'm going to choose equations 2 and 3 and eliminate the variable z. Since one equation has negative 4z and the other one has plus 4z, I don't have to do anything in order for them to cancel out. And then I come up with a new equation, 4x minus 2y is equal to 20. And now I need to eliminate the same variable, in this case it'll be z, by selecting a combination of 2 other equations. In this case I'm going to look at equations 1 and equations 2. So to do this I can multiply equation 1 by 4, which gives me 4x minus 8y plus 4z is equal to 52. Now if I add these 2 equations together, the z's cancel out, and I'm left with 7x minus 7y is equal to 49. Now if I put these 2 together, I have a system of equations in 2 variables. And I can solve this as I would solve any system of equation in 2 variables. I can cancel out either of the variables, in this case x or y. I'm going to go ahead and cancel out the y's. To do this, I'll multiply the first equation by 7 and the second equation by negative 2. And that leaves me with 28x minus 14y is equal to 140 when I multiply the first equation by 7. And the second equation becomes negative 14x plus 14y is equal to negative 98. Adding the 2 equations together gives me 14x, the y's cancel, is equal to 42. And if I keep solving from there, by dividing by 14, I get x is equal to 3. Now I can go ahead and plug in x is equal to 3 into either of these 2 equations to find the y value. I'm going to go ahead and plug it into the first equation. 4x minus 2y is equal to 20. And that gives me 4 times 3 minus 2y is equal to 20. Solving this out, 4 times 3 gives me 12, and then I subtract that from both sides. Negative 2y is equal to 8. Divide both sides by negative 2. That leaves me with y is equal to negative 4. Now going back to our original question, which was the 3 equations with 3 variables. Since I have x and y, I've solved for 2 of the variables. All I need to do at this point is plug that value of x and y into either of the 3 equations to find my final variable, in this case, z. I'm just going to go ahead and select the first equation to plug them into. So that gives me 3 minus 2 times negative 4 plus z is equal to 13. 3 plus 8 plus z is equal to 13, or 11 plus z is equal to 13. Last step is to subtract 11 from both sides, and that gives me z is equal to 2. Now I have all 3 solutions. X is equal to 3, y is equal to negative 4, and z is equal to 2. So if I write my solution set as an ordered triple, I get 3, negative 4, 2. I hope this helps.